Let's talk about research methods, specifically the mixed method research methodology. Now, if you're anything like me, the term might sound a bit intimidating at first. But stick with me, because it's really not as complex as it seems, and it's actually quite fascinating. So, what exactly is mixed method research? In simple terms, it's a combination of both quantitative and qualitative research methods. Think of it as the best of both worlds. You know how when you're trying to understand something deeply, just one perspective isn't enough? That's where mixed methods come in. It allows researchers to dive deeper into a topic by using numbers and statistics to quantify data, while also tapping into personal experiences and feelings to add context and depth. Collins back in 2012 defined it well, highlighting that this approach helps expand our understanding of the issues at hand. It's like putting on a pair of glasses that lets you see both the big picture and the finer details at the same time. And according to Shorten and Smith in 2017, this methodology ensures that the data collected truly represents the entire population and aligns well with other information. You get a more rounded view of the situation, which is crucial for making informed decisions. But let's be real for a moment. Mixed methods research isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It can be pretty complex, and for novice researchers, it might lead to a bit of confusion. You've got to juggle two different types of data, and that can be overwhelming. Plus, it's time-consuming. You need to gather information from various sources, analyze it, and then make sure everything aligns. It's a lot of work, but the payoff can be huge. Now, why would a researcher choose mixed methods over just one type? Let's say you're studying the perceptions of CEOs from multinational corporations. If you were to rely solely on qualitative methods, you might gain some fantastic insights into how these leaders think and feel about strategic thinking in global leadership. But you'd be limited in your ability to compare those insights quantitatively. You'd miss out on the patterns and trends that numbers can reveal. That's where the beauty of mixed methods shines. You can explore those perceptions qualitatively, gathering rich, detailed narratives, and then follow up with quantitative analysis to see how those perceptions stack up against each other statistically. It's like telling a story and then backing it up with solid data. For example, let's say you're looking at how these CEOs view leadership challenges. You could conduct interviews to get their personal experiences and feelings, which would give you incredible depth. Then, you could design a survey to quantify those views, like asking them to rate their confidence in handling specific challenges on a scale of 1 to 10. This way, you not only hear their stories, but also see how those stories translate into broader trends. Now, let's talk about the research design itself. The sequential exploratory mixed method design is particularly fascinating. Imagine it like a two-phase process where you start with qualitative data collection. You gather those rich narratives first, and then you move on to the quantitative phase, where you can analyze that data statistically. Creswell and Piano, in 2018, noted that this approach allows qualitative analysis to inform the quantitative phase, which is a game changer. But of course, it's not without its challenges. Ensuring that your qualitative participants are the same as your quantitative ones can be a logistical puzzle. Plus, you have to be prepared for the fact that analyzing data in separate phases can be tedious. It's a balancing act, but if done well, it can yield incredible insights. Now, let's get to the target population. In this case, we're focusing on CEOs from multinational companies in the United States. Why? Because these leaders are at the forefront of leadership challenges and training. They have the experience and insights that can shape our understanding of effective leadership. And when you're dealing with such a specific and somewhat elusive group, using a snowball sampling technique can be incredibly effective. You start with a few connections and let those connections lead you to others. It's like building a network of knowledge, one CEO at a time. When it comes to collecting data, a web-based questionnaire is a smart choice. It's flexible, allowing busy CEOs to respond at their convenience. But let's be honest, if that doesn't work out, a good old-fashioned phone interview can do the trick too. After all, these leaders are busy, and you want to respect their time while still gathering valuable insights. Now, let's talk numbers. The sample size for this study is 50 CEOs, which is a manageable yet substantial number to draw meaningful conclusions from. You're looking at a diverse group, both male and female, aged between 35 and 70. This range brings a wealth of experience to the table, covering various leadership styles and challenges in different economic settings. And as we wrap this up, let's touch on ethical considerations. It's crucial to remember the Belmont Report's principles: respect for persons, beneficence, and justice. Respect means ensuring that participants are willing and informed. Beneficence means protecting them from harm, and justice means treating everyone equally. It's about creating a fair and ethical research environment. So, there you have it. Mixed method research might seem complex, but it's a powerful tool for gaining a comprehensive understanding of a topic. By combining qualitative and quantitative methods, researchers can tell a richer story and uncover deeper insights. Whether you're a seasoned researcher or just starting out, embracing this methodology can lead to fascinating discoveries. So next time you hear about mixed methods, remember the power of blending numbers with narratives. It's a game changer. For support in your dissertation and thesis, please WhatsApp or call me at +254 704782979. At Data Solutions, we offer solutions on data and research problems.